Okay, and now on to the Atlas GP7. This is a classic line GP7 that I obtained. Unfortunately, it was an estate, and the motor is junk. It runs great one direction, and it runs like a piece of crap the other direction. I've tried to lube it up. I think what has happened is one of the brushes is broke. And unfortunately for Atlas, I love them dearly, but their motors are non-user serviceable, meaning that when something goes wrong, it's junk. Unlike Athearn, and a lot of people complain about Athearn motors, you can strip them down and rebrush them and work on them, where these, there's no way to get in it without wrecking it. So the other problem it has is when it does run, it'll bind up, and then you can't get it going again without taking the shell off and jamming the flywheel. So it's junk. And since it's junk and there's no way to fix it, I'm going to order a new one, and I think I'm going to have a little fun with this one. I think I'm going to blow it up. Put it on 24 volts and see what happens. There's no fix to it. It's not worth keeping it in a unit because you're going to fry a decoder, and it's unreliable. So it's going into the rubbish, so I might as well have a little fun with it before it goes. So when I do that, I'll let you know. Anyway, so that's another project to work on. There's always too much stuff to do and not enough time. Anyway, thanks for looking.